Welcome back to Wealthy Reads. Today, we're diving into Value Investing Made Simple, Benjamin Graham's classic investment strategy explained for everyone by James Pattersenn Jr. If you're curious about value investing but find it too complex, this book is a perfect introduction. James Pattersenn Jr. distills the essence of Benjamin Graham's value investing philosophy into a straightforward and accessible guide. Graham, often referred to as the father of value investing, laid the groundwork for a strategy that focuses on buying undervalued stocks with solid fundamentals. Patterson begins by breaking down the core principles of value investing. He explains how to identify undervalued stocks by analyzing financial statements, looking for companies with strong earnings, low debt, and a track record of consistent performance. This book is particularly valuable for beginners as it simplifies complex concepts without losing their significance. One of the strengths of this book is its practical approach. Patterson provides readers with actionable steps on how to implement value investing in their portfolios. He discusses how to assess a company's intrinsic value, the importance of margin of safety, and the psychological aspects of investing. Throughout the book, Patterson emphasizes patience and discipline to key traits of successful value investors. He also includes case studies and examples that illustrate how these principles can be applied in real-world scenarios. As we wrap up this review, it's clear that Value Investing Made Simple is an excellent resource for anyone looking to start their journey in value investing. Whether you're a novice or someone looking to refine your investment strategy, this book offers timeless wisdom from one of the greatest investors of all time. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Wealthy Reads, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts on this book in the comments below. Are you practicing value investing? We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy investing.